likes that shit. She likes that shit. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame,
she likes
glamour, runway, style.
The fans deserve to know, first of all, that I'm fine, that my family's fine, and partly also why I took my decision of marrying a second wife. So I decided to say why today. I used to hear from so many people that a man cannot love two women at the same time. Yeah. I've heard it, I've heard it a couple of times that a man cannot love two women at the same time. And I'm one of those people who believed it, before. And I know a lot of people still believe it as well, that a man cannot love two women. I used to believe it as well until, until it happened to me. And I realized that, never say never. No matter how old you are in this world, we're all young, we're still learning. Things can happen, and then you learn from certain things. At this point in my life, I can tell you that, this is my opinion, all right? I'm entitled to my opinion. My opinion may be wrong to you, but it's my opinion. At this point in my life, at this stage, I think it's possible for a man to actually love two women. I think it's possible. And for me, I think it's possible because two women can be in your life and then they bring two different things to the table. All right. They reason in different ways. They, contribute differently to your life. They contribute differently to your life. And you just realize that that's just the way it is. Someone can come into your life and then, the person makes so much impact in your life, and you just don't want to let this person go, or you just can't let this person go. Of course, a lot of people will say, as a married man, why would you allow another woman to come into your life and all that? Yes, we can say it's wrong. I take the blame for that. You can say it's wrong. I take the blame. But these things happen. Let's just be honest. These things happen. And it happened to me, and then I I realized that, hey, I just couldn't let this wonderful woman, leave my life, and make no mistakes about it. These are very wonderful women, very, very wonderful women in their own, respective rights, and they bring different things to the table, and yes, you can actually love two women at the same time. I thought it was not possible, but now I know it's possible. You can actually love two women, because two women can be in your lives for different reasons, and they bring different things to the table, and then you realize that this person is important in your life, and this other person is also important, in your life, and you just can't let any of them go. And that's just the tip of it. I have I have many more reasons, but for now, this is one of them. This is actually the main one. I may decide to bring out more, but this is it. A man can actually love two women, and then someone can come into your life. Yes, you may say the circumstances are wrong and all that, but these things happen, and then you realize that, hey, you can't let this person go. You just don't want this person. This person has a lot of impact. This person has a lot of impact in your life, and you just don't want this person to go, right? And you try to see how you can make it all work, right? So it's just
He likes gossip.